Hello children, how are you all? Yes, I know you all are fine because you are taking care of yourself and you all are good children. Yes children, today we are going to learn something important and you know what is that? That is daily activities. Now you know what is daily activities? Yes, the work we do every day which is the part of our life. We call it daily activities. Like, okay, first picture, can you see what is that? Yes, the girl is brushing her teeth. Now tell me, what you do when you get up in the morning? Yes, mummy tells you to brush your teeth. So, the first thing when we get up in the morning, what we do? We brush our teeth, right? So, that is the first activity what we do. So, at night when we sleep and when it is morning and we get up, the first thing that we do, that is the activity what we do. That is we brush our teeth. The first activity is I brush my teeth. And you know one thing children, we must brush our teeth every day. What happens if we don't brush our teeth? Yes, we get cavities in our teeth and our teeth get spoiled and our mouth starts stinking. So, we must brush our teeth every day. Now, all of you are sitting here. Tell me, who all are not brushing their teeth? Come on, raise your finger. Yes, very good. All of you are brushing your teeth. It means you all are good children. Very good children. Okay, after you brush your teeth, what is the next activity that you do? Correct, yes. We take bath. After brushing the teeth, we take bath. And you know why it is important to take bath? Because we have to keep our body clean. If we don't take bath, our body will become dirty. So, to keep our body clean, we must take bath daily. So, can you see that boy? Yes, that boy is taking bath, right? Okay, after you take bath, what mama does? Yes, she tells, come on, finish your breakfast fast. And then she makes you wear something. Because just now the school bus will come and you have to run and sit in the bus. What you wear? Correct, school uniform. Why you wear school uniform? Because you have to go to school. And you know children, it is important to go to school. We must go to school every day. And if we don't go to school, what happens? Yes, we will miss our studies and we will not know to write properly. We will not know to read the things, right? So, yes, after that your school bus come and you run and sit in the bus. And where we go? Yes, we go to school. And you know one thing children, every day we must go to school. And when we go to school, we have to comb our hair properly. And we must always wear neat uniform. Okay, then when you are doing written work, where you sit and write? Correct. We sit in the class and write. But when is your games period and you have to play? Do you play in the class? No, we must never play in the class. Why? Because there are many benches and if you fall, you will get hurt. So, where teacher takes you to play? Correct. We play in the KG park. Yes, then when your games period is there, teacher takes you to KG park to play. Very good. And after you come home from school, yes, teacher gives you homework, right? That your homework means the work which you have to do at home. That we call homework. So, what you do? Yes, you have your lunch and you are good children. So, you must do your homework regularly, every day, daily. Because if we don't do our work daily, we will forget what teacher has teach us. So, what you must do children? Correct, you must do practice of writing and reading every day. Very good. So, can you see this girl? What she is doing? Yes, she is doing her homework. Now, after at night, what you have you know? Yes, we have our dinner. And before eating our food, what we must always do? Yes, we must wash our hands. So, before eating our food, we must always wash our hands. Then, what we do? We sit with our parents, with our mummy and daddy and we have our food. You know one thing children, you must never waste food. whatever is served in your plate, you must finish it off. And I know none of you are wasting the food because you all are good children, right? So we must always wash our hands before and after eating our food, right? And whatever is served in our plate, we must finish it. Okay, so these are the activities which we do every day. So once again, you are going to repeat after me. Okay children, now look here. All of you say with me, I brush my teeth daily. Again, I brush my teeth daily. Here you can do action, so you will remember fast, okay? Now, after brushing the teeth, what other activity you do? Correct. What you should say? I take bath daily. All of you do action. I take bath daily. Again children, I take bath daily. Very good. After that, what you do? Yes, we go to school. So what you will say? I go to school daily. Once again, I go to school daily. Okay, after that, yes, then teacher takes us somewhere to play. Yes, I play in the KG park. Once again, I play in the KG park. Okay, then when your school is over, you come back home and what you do? Correct, we do our homework. So, I do my homework daily. Every day you must complete your homework. You all are good children and I know you all are doing it, right? Okay, all of you repeat. I do my homework daily. And then at night what we do? Yes, I have dinner daily with my parents. We must sit together. All the family must sit together and have the food together. So, I have my dinner daily with my parents. So, these are the activities which we do every day, which we do daily. Now, there is some conversation which you are going to listen and you are going to answer me. Okay, children. Now, teacher. Now, teacher is asking something to the student. Okay, what is that? What should you do when you wake up in the morning? When you wake up in the morning, what you do, children? Yes, the first activity, we brush our teeth. So, what children are saying? We should brush our teeth. All of you say, we should brush our teeth. Very good. Next, at what time do you go to bed? Yes, this even I want to know. What time all of you sleep at night? Do you watch TV till late night? No, that is not good. So, you must go to bed early, right? Okay, students, you know, these all are good students like you all. So, what time they go to sleep, they you know, at 9 p.m. What time we must go to sleep, children? At 9 p.m. Very good. Now, here are few blanks. I am going to make you do orally, but what you are going to do? You are going to write it once in your ENV book, right? Okay, so you must know the answer. I am going to ask you and you are going to answer me. I dash my teeth. What you do? Yes, I brush my teeth. Very good. Once again, I dash my teeth. What you do? Correct. You can do with actions, so you will remember it fast. I brush my teeth. Very good. Now next, I dash with my friends in the park. You go with your friends in the park. There what you do, children? Yes, I play. There we play. So what you are going to write? I play with my friends in the park. Once again, I play with my friends in the park. Now, I go to dash neatly. This I have already told you. Where you must wear neat uniform and go? Correct, in school. So, what you are going to say? I go to school neatly. Again, children, I go to school neatly. So, what you are going to do, children? You all are good children. So, you are going to do these activities at home